Today in lesson 8, we're talking about types of slope. So we're going to use this guy called the slope man. He's like a graphic organizer to help us. The definition of slope is it is the rate of change, so that should sound familiar, between any 2 points on a line. It is the measure of the steepness of a line. So how steep it is. If it's a big slope, it's really steep. If it's a small number, it's not very steep. Slope is the change in y over the change in x, so that should look familiar, y over x. And rise over run is the big one that you're going to use. So the numerator is, if it's positive, it goes up, it's a rise. If it's negative, it goes down. So it's still a rise, it's just a negative rise. And then run is always going to go to the right. Slope is read from left to right, just like when you are reading words. So there's 4 main types of slope. This first one is a positive slope. So positive slopes go up, and in your slope guy, make his eyebrow that way, and so that is a positive slope. So the opposite of that is a negative slope, which goes down. So draw his other eyebrow. So from left to right, a negative slope goes down. Then there is a zero slope, which is his mouth. And then he's got like these little cheek things on his mouth. And then this one is the weird one. There's lots of things it might be called. It might be called undefined, or it might be no slope, because you can't have a straight up and down line. You can have a straight up and down line, but it doesn't have a slope because there's no like rise or run. You just fall straight off. So undefined slope is his nose. It's a straight line down. And then a U for undefined. So there is your slope man and the 4 types of slope: positive, negative, zero, and then undefined.